guys, welcome back to Lame Foundation. This is Jovita here, and in today's video I've got my everyday makeup routine. So it's not too much, it's not too heavy on your face, and it's not too little as well. So all the products that I've used in this video are drugstore products. Majority of them are Maybelline products, which can be found in any drugstore very easily, and they're also very affordable. If this video does help you out in any way, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe for more. And if you'd like to learn how I got this look, then please keep watching. So I've done all of my skincare. I've done the cleansing, moisturizing, SPF, but I'm going to start with primer because this is a makeup related video. I didn't want to put in the skincare aspect of it, and I also thought, since this is a makeup tutorial which we do on a daily basis, I thought probably we should time this video or the makeup part of it just to see how long it actually takes me to get my makeup done. So to give you an idea as to how much it would take if you're doing this routine before you get ready for work, and we'll see how long it takes. So that's started already. It's not a race, but I think I should start. Alright, so first we're gonna start with primer. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Just keeping in mind, obviously when you're doing your makeup in the morning, you're not going to be talking to a camera, so we're gonna avoid the extra time that we spend just chatting away. So I really like this primer because it gives like a brightening effect to the face, and it also holds the makeup in its place. So that's really good. So now that we're done with primer, I'm going to be using my Kryolan color corrector. I just have one tiny little bit left. It's a D30, it's in the number D30, and I'm just going to be using this around the pigmented areas of my skin. I am also using my mirror just here, so don't mind me looking down. My skin has been breaking out quite a bit, like on my cheek around this area that I'm blending right now, and I guess it's also because of having to use masks. So like the industry that I work in, I have to wear a mask through the whole day, and I have to keep it on unless I'm on my lunch break away from people and eating my lunch. So I guess just putting the mask on and leaving it on for the whole day just ruins the skin, and I guess the roughness of the mask and things just rubbing against my skin has led to a lot of breakouts. Have you been facing anything like this with masks? Like, are masks mandatory in the areas that you live at? Let me know. I would love to know where you're from and what the situation with COVID is like in the places that you live at. So it looks like we're done with color correcting. So like you can see, it just evens out everything on my face. I'm going to be using the Maybelline foundation. You do not have to use this. If you're someone who likes light makeup, you could also use the Maybelline Dream Satin BB Cream. That's what I use on a daily basis while I am getting ready to go to work. But today, since I'm going out after, I just want to make sure I have a proper coverage on. Don't forget to apply like a thin layer of foundation on your ears and your neck. You don't want it to be discolored compared to your face, so always make sure you're taking your foundation down to your neck and also onto your ears. This next step is also another optional step. If you do want to have concealer to just bring in an extra brightness on your face, you can use concealer. If not, you can straight away skip to the setting stage of our makeup routine. But I'm just going to be using the Insta Age Rewind Maybelline concealer. I'm just going to be using just a tiny amount on the inner corner and just on the outer corner of the eyes and on my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and under my contour area. And I'm going to quickly just blend that all out. Our next step is setting our whole face. I'm going to be using the loose translucent powder by Maybelline. It's the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10. This is what it looks like. The next step is again an optional step. It depends on you how glam you want to do your everyday makeup. I like to have some bronzer on, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline City Bronzer. This just gives you like a nice bronzed effect. Basically it creates shadow on your face, so I'm just going to be using an angled contour brush like this and just go in. Now I'm going to be using a new product that I haven't used ever before. This is from the brand Mellow. So they got in touch with me for a collaboration, and this is the first time that I'm using their product. Taking a little bit on mine. I'm not really sure how pigmented these are, so we might just go in with a little bit to see what it looks like. I might zoom you in so you can see as well. Oh, that's quite pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it is quite pigmented. Maybe just a little goes a long way. I like it. It's really pigmented. A small amount of it is more than enough. And the shade as well is nice. I just realized that this shade could also be used as a bronzer because it's quite a natural neutral blush which could be used for your bronzing as well. Alright, so the next step is highlighting. For highlighting, I haven't found a drugstore product as such, but it's a brand called BYS. You can definitely find highlighter palette on Amazon for $7, but I'm not really sure how much it would be if you go to buy it from the drugstore, and if it's even available, I'm not too sure. But this is what I'm going to be using to highlight. I'm using the rose gold shade. And then just blend it all out. So this way you're going to be blending in your blush as well as your highlighter. Now I'm just going to be doing my mascara. So I'm using the Sky High Mascara again by Maybelline. I'm just going to go on and highlight my tear duct with the same rose gold shade that I used to highlight my face. This just gives a more brighter look and opens up your eyes much more than what they normally would. Now for the lips, I usually like to go with a nude lip. If you're someone who loves to wear dark lip shades, go for it if that's what you prefer. I usually love wearing nudes. I don't usually wear dark shades to work. So I'm going to be using the Mecca Max Pop Out in the shade Who Me, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Baby Face Cream Lipstick. Now for the final step, you can use the Maybelline Lasting Fixing Spray. This is just a $10 fixing spray, and it's good for like everyday use. So I'm just gonna be shaking the bottle and just fan yourself. If you do have a fan next to you, go sit in front of your fans. If not, maybe just use something to fan your face and let everything soak in really well. So that is what the makeup looks like. I really like how it turned out, and let's check how much time we took to do this makeup tutorial. Okay, so we have taken 24 minutes, but I think I'm going to be deducting maybe 5 to 8 minutes from it because I was jabbering away about random stuff. When you're in a hurry in the morning, you're definitely not going to need more than 15 minutes to do this makeup tutorial, and that's how much time I take because I like to take my own sweet time to do it. You can obviously skip a few steps from what I have done, and you can make it much more quicker and easier for you. This routine would most likely take you 15 to 20 minutes. which is not too much, and once you obviously do it every single day, you're going to get faster at it. So this is it. This is all I've got for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well as learned something new. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more. If you have any more suggestions as to what kind of videos I could do next, please leave it in the comment section below, and I would love to create those videos for you guys. And also, while you subscribe, please don't forget to click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And that was it. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye.